B, C, D, E, F. And today, just as you have guessed, we are learning the ABCD of the Igbos. But we're not calling it ABCD. We are calling it Abidigbo. Abidigbo. So ta hanegamo Abidigbo. Today we're going to learn Abidigbo. Subscribe, yes, like, share, and comment. Let's dive right into it. Welcome to class. So now we're going to look at all the alphabets. We're going to run through them and then we're going to focus on each alphabet individually with their examples. Now remember that alphabets in Igbo language, they are called Mkporabidigbo. Mkporabidigbo. Okay? Now let's go. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, B, H, G, H, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, V, Y, Z. Come on, put your hands together for yourself. You did well. All right, now let's look at the alphabets one after the other. Let's go there. First alphabet is A. A. Let's go together. One to go. A. Akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. A. Akwụkwọ. B. B. Ball. B. Ball. Now the trick with Igbo alphabet is that once you take out the vowel in the consonant sounds, now you have B. Now it's sounding like there is an I, like an A sound in front of the B. So for the Igbo consonants, once you take out that imaginary I in front of the consonants, you have the sound. So B, ball, B. B, ball. Chi, chere, chi, chere, di, dinta, di, dinta. E, efere, 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 as in plate. Fe, 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 as in fly. Gi, go, read, go, read. Bi, bajie, as in break. Bi, bajie, break. He, as in fry. He. You can also hear people call fry ye. Gui, goro, finished. Gui, goro, finished. He, hapo. He, hapo, leave. He, hapo, leave. Ilu, proverb. Ilu, proverb. Echafo. Echafo. Echafo, head tie. Je, jo, as in ask. Je, jo. Ke, as in tie. Ke, tie. Be, pray. Be, pray. Kwo, speak. Kwo, speak. Lo, or you can hear people say lo, marry. Miri, water. Miri, water. Ne, mother. Ne, mother. Ngo, drink. Ngo, drink. Nwanyi, woman. Nwanyi, woman. Nyi, nye, 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 as in give, like nye ya, give him or her. Nye, nye, give. O, oroma, orange. O, oroma, orange. O, osa, squirrel. O, osa, squirrel. P, pawpaw, pawpaw. P, pawpaw, pawpaw. Rie, rie, that's eat. Si, sapo, si, sapo, sponge. Si, sapo, sponge. She, nshiko, crab. She, nshiko, crab. Ti, toro, turkey. Ti, toro, turkey. Ube bekee, avocado pear. Ube bekee, avocado pear. Ụlọ, ụlọ, house. Ụlọ, house. Mvo, comb. Now you can also hear people say mbo as comb too. So mvo, comb. Were, take. Were, take. Ayeya, crayfish. Ayeya, crayfish. Zie, send. Zie, send. Now, one of the things I tell my students when I teach them this Igbo alphabet is that they should compose a song that suits them well with it. You know, when you compose something yourself, it will be very difficult for you to forget it. So guys, compose any song of your choice. It can even be rap. Do your thing. It is your song. So compose your own Igbo alphabet song. Notice that the Igbo alphabets have 36 letters. In the comment section, I want you to pick out any alphabet and try to form an example with it. Alright guys, I'm gonna bye.